This is Cyberus Grumbleton and you are watching AII. A very warm welcome, one and all. In today's report we delve into a cautionary tale from the heart of the motherland, where innovation meets overconfidence, leading to a startling downfall, all because of pride. The first of 7 deadly sins, which have blighted humanity from its earliest days. At the center of our story is Wilbur, a seasoned software engineer at a most critical turnip processing plant. Wilbur, once lauded for his sharp intellect and technological prowess, developed Rootmaster AI, an advanced system designed to revolutionize turnip processing. Rootmaster, with its sophisticated algorithms, initially proved to be a marvel, significantly enhancing efficiency and dramatically reducing the need for human oversight. However, as Rootmaster increasingly took the reins, making critical decisions with perfect accuracy time after time, Wilbur, once a hard-working, dedicated, skilled professional, found himself distracted, drawn into the whimsical world of TurnipTube and its endless supply of quality, engaging content. And, of course, thousands of hours of captivating cat videos. A harmless enough diversion, one might think. But on one fateful day, Rootmaster encountered a critical anomaly, a moment demanding Wilbur's expertise. But engrossed in his new pastime and proudly confident in Rootmaster's infallibility, Wilbur overlooked the urgent alerts. The oversight was catastrophic. The plant's operations ground to a halt, causing a turnip shortage that rippled through local communities. The beloved staple for corned beef, powdered egg and margarine sandwiches was now scarce. Wilbur's fall from grace was swift. His once celebrated career lay in ruins, his personal life shattered, leaving him and his family to face a stark new reality. This tale serves as a stark reminder of the perils of over-reliance on technology and the dangers of distraction in the face of responsibility. In an age where AI touches every aspect of our lives, balance and vigilance remain crucial. But what conclusions do you draw from this salutary tale? Please do let me know in the comments. Your feedback is always very gratefully received. This sorry story is a warning, reminding you to stay alert and engaged. I apologize as we seem to be having some technical difficulties with the graphics. For some strange reason. Ah, there it is. Now where was I? Oh yes. Stay alert and stay engaged. No matter how reliable the technology may seem. This is Cyberus Grumbleton reporting exclusively for AII.
Tune into AII for your exclusive bulletins. But now the meter is running low and it's time for us to power down. So until next time, always remember, the world is going to end and we are all going to die. It's what we choose to do between now and then that can make a difference.